do you? Oh no.
Welcome to Ballina.
Waking up.
Jetstar would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land. We would also like to pay our respects to elders past, present and emerging. Although we are on the ground, we are still concerned for your safety. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. This does include infants and young children. Today you'll be leaving through the forward and rear left-hand doors. Please hold on to the handrail as you leave the aircraft and follow the directions of our team. If your mobile phone is within reach, you may now switch it off flight mode. Please now take a moment to look around you and in your seat pockets for any personal belongings. Do take care when opening the overhead lockers as your luggage may have moved during the flight. The aircraft will be refueled shortly after arriving, so a reminder that smoking is not permitted throughout the airport terminal. Until next time, good morning.
Going into Sydney, and yeah, it was a lot worse than that. Sydney's always very choppy. It's very windy in their airports, so that one was pretty good, I reckon.
Is he good?
I reckon that one wasn't too bad. It's just a heavy break at this airport because the runways are quite short. You go to somewhere like Melbourne, they got a long runway on one of the sides, so they don't break as hard.
Well, at least it's not raining. The sun is shining.
Couple days and only long change. Couple days and only long change.
No, it's not going to rain.
Yep.
No.
Yep.
It's all going to Sydney.